All right, it's Iowa week. We're back on campus. It's homecoming week. Could be a little wet. Forecasters are calling for rain, a lot of rain. They're saying it could be the wettest weekend since 1985 in Los Angeles. The city's not really built for that. I don't know if the stadium is, but we're gonna get some ponchos and then we're gonna watch the pep rally. It's a wet one here in downtown LA. Right on! The show must go on, baby! What's going on? Yeah. You getting this or what?
Yeah, there you go, man. I didn't see you. He must have been scared by the rain.
Yeah. Not this guy.
What's up? And action.
Do something cool. Do something cool. Do something cool. She looks so serious. That's right, that's right. Good. I myself had a stick of beef jerky and 2 protein bars on the way in. I'm set. Hey! So what can we expect today? This is my first time. What rain, boys? What rain? What rain? Welcome to Thunderdome, bitch. Wild. Whoa! Look at these seats. Hell yeah.
That's how he is.
Oh my God. You're gonna distract this guy and I'm gonna go towards the goal line. It's gonna be awesome. That's right, baby. These seats are good, but you know, I'm gonna be next to Riley like, all right, listen, we need to run an out pattern, a hitch and go. With a reverse, double reverse, baby. Double.
None of that flea flicker shit.
Yeah, yeah. They look so small. Members of the Trojan family. a bet. My chain, they never had. And the guy, can't remember his name, Dave? Sorry, brother. But he's a man of his word. They left. He gave me his hat. I'm gonna hang it from my chain here as soon as we win. You can't beat the Trojans. Beat the traffic. That's it. Victory formation. 8-2. Let's go, baby. Let's go.